Have you ever spent 8 hours on a video, sent it to the client, only to get paid 300 rupees? Well, I did, and that too more than once. 3 years ago, I charged 300 rupees for a long form video. मैं इंस्टाग्राम ओपन करता था और देखता था कि भाई कोई एक रैंडम बंदा फ्रीलांसिंग से $10,000 कमा रहा है. And I used to think, what the fuck am I doing wrong? I had the skills, I had the hunger, and also a great laptop. But जो मेरे पास नहीं था, वो था एक road map. And that's the problem for most freelancers today. इंटरनेट पे फ्रीलांसिंग से रिलेटेड इतनी सारी एडवाइस है जो कि प्रैक्टिकली एप्लीकेबल भी नहीं है. Some people say niche down. Some people say be a generalist. Some people say send cold emails. Others say just post content. And with all of this information overload, you are stuck in between, doing everything and getting nothing. See, I was also like most of you are, but I didn't quit. I tested, I failed, and I learned. I worked with a lot of small creators and a lot of big creators as well. जिसमें से there was one creator who has more than 1 million followers on Instagram and YouTube. I can't say her name publicly because I signed NDA, but she is really popular in business niche. After working individually with a lot of creators, I then built my own agency and scaled it to 5.5 lakh MRR in just 3 months. और कहानी यहाँ पे खत्म नहीं होती है. I lost it all in the agency. But then guess what? I built it again, and in just 3.5 months, I scaled my agency to 3.5 lakh monthly recurring revenue, plus we have consistent flow of one-time projects ranging between $1,200 to $2,000. But the question is, how did I do that? It's only because मेरे को पता था कि क्या चीज़ work करती है practically and what doesn't. And now I've put it all into something for you. The Freelance Shortcut ebook, the no BS guide I wish I had when I started freelancing. But this is not one of those generic products where the creator has made it just for the sake of money. This is not the same recycled garbage that you see on the internet in the name of information. This ebook doesn't have random generic advice. It's practical and has come from being in the industry, closing clients and talking to real freelancers who have been in the industry for so long and are making lakhs consistently. It's a real roadmap written after working with big names in the industry, having more than 1 million followers, net worth ranging from $1 million to $15 million, building a YouTube channel from scratch to 50,000 plus subscribers, running a 5.5 lakh per month agency, and then losing it all just to rebuild it again. Everything is condensed into one raw and unfiltered guide that you'll actually use.
तो भाई अपन लोग ने लोकेशन स्विच कर लिया एंड वी आर एट दिस ब्यूटीफुल लोकेशन इन मनाली. नाउ ये बुक किसके लिए है? इट इज फॉर यू इफ यू हैव गॉट द स्किल्स बट तुमको क्लाइंट नहीं मिल रहा है. सेकंड, यू डोंट नो व्हाट टू चार्ज और व्हेन टू रेज प्राइसेस. थर्ड, तुम एक साथ मल्टीपल प्रोजेक्ट्स मैनेज कर रहे हो बट स्टिल यू आर ब्रोक. फोर्थ, यू हैव बीन घोस्टेड, अंडरपेड एंड डिसरिस्पेक्टेड एंड यू आर डन विद इट. एंड जस्ट टू बी क्लियर, आई एम नॉट सेलिंग दिस ई बुक टू एवरीवन. इफ यू थिंक दैट यू हैव द प्रॉब्लम्स दैट आई हैव मेंशन्ड और यू वांट इनसाइडर नॉलेज ऑफ द फ्रीलांस वर्ल्ड, देन दिस इज फॉर यू. ये बुक बिगिनर से लेकर इंटरमीडिएट लेवल फ्रीलांसर्स तक के लिए मैंने लिखी है क्योंकि उन लोगों के फंडामेंटल्स क्लियर नहीं होते हैं एंड वंस दे डायल इन ऑल ऑफ द फंडामेंटल्स दे कैन इजीली हिट 1 lakh per month. And that is what this book will help you achieve, and that too practically. Now what's inside this ebook? In this ebook I've broken down everything that I've learned over the past 6 to 7 years, and it's not all just about freelancing. मैंने बहुत सारी overlooked चीजों को भी इसमें कवर किया है जो कि नॉर्मली फ्रीलांस से रिलेटेड नहीं है, but it definitely helps you become a better freelancer. But on unrelated topics से साथ साथ मैंने बहुत सारी टेक्निकल चीजें भी कवर करी हैं, and those are how to reach international clients from India, how to price your services without feeling guilty, how to pitch without sounding desperate, what to do when a client ghosts you, how to stand out in a saturated market, how to actually build a freelance brand, and how to scale beyond yourself into a real agency. Plus it has a lot more things. And इस book में only text नहीं है. It's not a boring book. You'll get access to private video modules and it's like a surprise mini course for you. क्योंकि हर चीज मैं समझा नहीं पा रहा था टेक्स्ट में अच्छे से. So I thought why not just make a mini course, and that's what you'll get access to inside this ebook. अगर ये बुक तुम्हारे 3 महीने भी सेव कर लेती है ट्रायल्स एंड एरर्स के, देन आई विल कंसीडर दैट दिस बुक इज अ सक्सेस. एंड एडिशनली तुमको इस बुक के साथ एक एक्सक्लूसिव व्हाट्सएप कम्युनिटी के एक्सेस भी मिलेगा वेयर आई विल बी पोस्टिंग फ्रीलांस किड्स अपडेट्स एंड यू विल बी सराउंडेड विद फेलो फ्रीलांसर्स इन दैट कम्युनिटी, सो यू विल बी एबल टू ग्रो फास्टर. एंड इफ यू वांट टू गो डीपर, देयर इज एन ऑप्शन इनसाइड द बुक विद a 30% lifetime discount on my one-on-one consultations. Lastly, I don't know if this book will change your life, but I do know it will get you a hell lot closer than a week of doom scrolling on YouTube and searching for random freelance videos. The link for the book is in description. First 100 लोगों के लिए 30% discount है, so avail that discount as soon as possible. And as a reminder, inside that ebook, you'll get access to private video modules, plus an exclusive WhatsApp community and a lifetime 30% discount link for my consultations. This book is The Freelance Shortcut, and I'm 100% sure that this will help you. Third, you're stuck doing 6 projects at once. ठंड लग रही है भाई, बोला भी नहीं जा रहा.